Have you made Korean sauna eggs in your Instant Pot yet? It's probably the easiest thing you'll ever make in your pressure cooker, and the only things that you need are some type of rack or basket, water, eggs, and thyme. Lots and lots of thyme. When they're done pressure steaming, the whites turn a beautiful caramel color and the yolks become creamy and smell and taste just like a roasted chicken. They need to cook anywhere from an hour up to 4 hours, depending on the taste and texture you're looking for. The longer you cook them, the darker, nuttier, and more roasted they taste, and the creamier the yolks become. I'm setting this batch right in the middle at 2.5 hours, and then I'll let it naturally release. You can put these in an ice bath if you're in a hurry, but I'm just going to let these sit on the counter for a little while till they're cool enough for me to handle. These are so easy to peel, the shells just slide right off. They make perfect snacks just as they are, but really shine as ingredients for other dishes like egg salad, deviled eggs, and of course, ramen, my favorite. That's it for this experiment. So the next time you feel like making hard-cooked eggs in your pressure cooker, set the timer for an hour. If you like the results, then you can go bold the next time and try for 4 hours. As always, the notes and instructions are below in the description box. Please leave a comment if you try these eggs, and remember to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.